In today's video, I'm going to show you how to animate text in Canva. If you want to add some dynamic flair and make your designs more engaging, this feature is exactly what you need. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your Canva project and select the text box you'd like to animate. Make sure the text itself is highlighted so Canva knows that's the element you want to work on. Now, look at the top menu bar. You'll see an option called Animate. Click on it to reveal Canva's text animation panel. Here, you'll find a range of preset styles, from subtle motions to dramatic entrances and exits. Take a moment to browse through them and preview how they affect your text. When you see one you like, just click on it. For example, let's apply the skate animation. Canva instantly gives you a real-time preview so you can decide if it fits your design. If it's not quite right, no problem. Just test out other animations until you find the perfect one. Remember, animation should highlight your message, not distract from it. Animations aren't just for looks. They can also guide your audience's attention, emphasize key points, or make calls to action stand out more effectively. And that's all it takes to animate text in Canva. With just a few clicks, you can turn static designs into dynamic, eye-catching content. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.